Reversing hair loss, the ultimate guide. Hair loss is a common issue that affects many people, regardless of age or gender. Hair loss can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, lifestyle, stress, and medical conditions. Fortunately, there are a number of treatments and products available to help reverse hair loss and restore thick, luscious hair. The most common type of hair loss is androgenic alopecia, or male pattern baldness. This type of hair loss is caused by a combination of genetics, hormones, and age. It is characterized by a receding hairline and thinning of the hair on the crown of the head. Women can also experience androgenic alopecia, but it is less common. Stress, medical conditions, and certain medications can also cause hair loss. Stress-related hair loss is known as telogen effluvium and is characterized by a sudden, diffuse shedding of hair. Medical conditions such as alopecia areata and thyroid disease can also cause hair loss. Certain medications, including chemotherapy drugs, can also cause hair loss. There are several treatments and products available to help reverse hair loss. Minoxidil is a topical medication that is applied to the scalp and is effective in stimulating new hair growth. Finasteride is an oral medication that inhibits the production of the hormone responsible for male pattern baldness. Hair transplants involve surgically transferring healthy hair follicles from one area of the scalp to another. In addition to these treatments and products, there are several lifestyle changes that can help reverse hair loss. Eating a healthy, balanced diet and exercising regularly can help keep hair healthy and promote new hair growth. Reducing stress and getting enough sleep can also help reduce hair loss. Avoiding harsh styling products and using a gentle shampoo and conditioner can also help. Hair loss can be an emotionally difficult issue to deal with, but it is important to remember that there are treatments and products available to help reverse hair loss and restore thick, luscious hair. With the right combination of treatments and lifestyle changes, it is possible to restore hair to its former glory.